Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's podcast, we are going to discuss an important role in facility and administration management, the facility executive. A facility executive helps ensure that a workplace, building, or facility operates safely, efficiently, and comfortably by coordinating maintenance, housekeeping, security, vendors, utilities, and other facility services. But what exactly does a facility executive do? What are the roles and responsibilities? What are the daily duties? And what skills and qualities are required? Let's understand everything in simple language. First, let's understand what is a facility executive. A facility executive is a professional who coordinates and manages day-to-day facility-related activities in an organization. In simple words, a facility executive makes sure that the workplace and its essential services are properly maintained and available for employees, visitors, and other users. The exact responsibilities depend on the organization and type of facility. Now let's talk about the roles and responsibilities of a facility executive. One of the main responsibilities is facility maintenance coordination. The facility executive coordinates maintenance activities for electrical systems, plumbing, air conditioning, equipment, furniture, and other building facilities. Another important responsibility is housekeeping coordination. They monitor cleaning activities and ensure that offices, common areas, washrooms, and other assigned areas are maintained properly. Another major duty is security coordination. The facility executive may coordinate with security staff and monitor access control, visitor management, security procedures, and related activities. Another important responsibility is vendor management. They coordinate with external service providers for maintenance, cleaning, security, pest control, landscaping, repairs, and other facility services. Another duty is handling maintenance complaints and service requests. They receive facility-related complaints from employees or users and coordinate with the appropriate team or vendor to resolve them. Another important responsibility is monitoring utilities. Depending on the facility, they may monitor electricity, water, air conditioning, fuel, and other utility consumption and report unusual usage or issues. Another duty is safety and emergency coordination. They support workplace safety procedures and may coordinate emergency preparedness, fire safety activities, inspections, and emergency response arrangements according to organizational requirements. Another important responsibility is facility documentation. They maintain records related to maintenance, vendors, inspections, service contracts, utility consumption, complaints, and other facility activities. Another duty is managing facility supplies and equipment. They may monitor cleaning materials, maintenance supplies, office equipment, and other facility-related resources. Another important responsibility is supporting office events and arrangements. They may help arrange seating, meeting rooms, equipment, housekeeping, security, and other facility requirements for meetings or events. Now let's discuss the daily work of a facility executive. A typical day may begin by inspecting the facility and reviewing pending maintenance requests, housekeeping activities, security requirements, and vendor schedules. The facility executive may coordinate technicians, housekeeping staff, security personnel, and service providers. During the day, they may inspect workplace areas, handle complaints, monitor maintenance work, check facility services, and update records. They may also communicate with management and different departments about facility requirements, budgets, repairs, and ongoing issues. At the end of the day, they may review completed work and pending maintenance activities. The exact routine depends on the organization. Now, let's talk about the skills required to become a facility executive. The first important skill is facility management knowledge. A facility executive should understand basic building maintenance, housekeeping, security, utilities, and workplace operations. The second important skill is coordination. They need to coordinate with employees, technicians, vendors, security teams, housekeeping staff, and management. Another important skill is problem solving. Facility issues can happen unexpectedly, so the executive needs to identify problems and coordinate practical solutions. Communication skills are also important. because the role involves regular interaction with different people. Another useful skill is vendor management. The executive should be able to coordinate service providers, monitor their work, and follow up on pending jobs. Basic computer skills are also useful for preparing reports, maintaining records, tracking service requests, and managing documents. Another important skill is time management because multiple facility issues may need attention at the same time. Now, let's discuss the qualities of a good facility executive. A good facility executive should be responsible, organized, proactive, practical, reliable, professional, disciplined, and detail-oriented. Another important quality is quick decision-making. Facility problems sometimes require immediate attention, especially when they affect safety or essential services. Patience is also important when handling complaints, vendors, and multiple departments. Another important quality is safety awareness. A facility executive should take workplace safety and emergency procedures seriously. Leadership and teamwork are also valuable because facility operations involve coordinating multiple people and service teams. Now let's talk about qualification and eligibility. Requirements vary depending on the organization and facility. Many facility executive positions may prefer candidates with a diploma or degree in facility management, engineering, business administration, hospitality, operations, or related field. Relevant experience in facility management, administration, maintenance, housekeeping, security coordination, or building operations can be an advantage. Basic knowledge of maintenance systems, safety procedures, vendor management, and computer applications can also be useful. Freshers may find entry-level facility coordination positions depending on the employer. Now, let's look at some common workplaces for facility executives. They can work in corporate offices, hospitals, hotels, malls, schools, universities, factories, residential complexes, commercial buildings, business parks, and other large facilities. Now, let's discuss the career path of a facility executive. With experience and additional skills, a facility executive may progress into positions such as senior facility executive, facility supervisor, facility manager, assistant facility manager, operations manager, or facility head, depending on the organization. Developing skills in facility management, maintenance, vendor management, safety, budgeting, operations, and team management can support career growth. Before applying for a facility executive position, always check the specific job description. Pay attention to the qualification, facility type, maintenance responsibilities, shift requirements, vendor coordination, safety responsibilities, technical knowledge, and other job conditions. Let's quickly summarize today's topic. A facility executive coordinates daily facility operations to ensure that the workplace remains safe, clean, functional, and well-maintained. Their responsibilities may include maintenance coordination, housekeeping, security, vendor management, utilities, safety, facility complaints, documentation, and office arrangements. Important skills include facility management, coordination, communication, problem-solving, vendor management, computer skills, and time management. Important qualities include responsibility, organization, proactiveness, reliability, discipline, professionalism, safety awareness, teamwork, and attention to detail. For people interested in facility management, administration, operations, maintenance, and workplace management, a facility executive role can be a good career opportunity. That's all for today's podcast. I hope this explanation helped you understand the facility executive job description, roles, responsibilities, duties, skills, and qualities. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you in the next episode.